Hello, we're back at the channel. Yes, I have been riding with Nina, my friend, up on the Alps, the Brazilian, we call Brazilian Alps. They're not Alps, but they are mountains, and we love to ride on them, in them, on top of them, whatever. We're back, and from now on, I'll be making very nice videos specific towards the things that you ask me, like how to hop in and hop off the bike. I know I've done like a couple videos, but today I'll be showing you 3 drills, 3 exercises for you to master hop in and hop off down in Brompton. So let's start it. For me, one of the great things about the Brompton, it's how easy it is to get off and in, to hop in and hop off the Brompton. So let me show you a very easy way to do it. Put my glasses on. You just step in and go. Okay, so an easy way to get out is like this. See? Very, very easy. So basically, you step on your left foot and cross your right foot on top of the front foot and get out. Easy said, hardly done. Not quite. After you got used to it, very easy. But let's do it step by step. First, let's stand on both feet and take one at a time. Let's do it. And for that, I'm gonna try to do with the other foot. So to stand on that one, I have to hold it. To stand on the right foot, I have to hold my right hand very steady and very strong. So I'll be, like a triangle, So the bicycle won't fall towards the side that I'm stepping on. So let's do it again. The best way to get out is towards the left side. But I'm gonna show you how to get out on the right side because I don't know how to do it. And if I do learn it, it's because you can do it too. So first exercise, right side. Take it out and then cross it towards the back. Out, out, and cross it. Out and cross it. Fun, isn't it? So the 3 easy steps are those. Those are the 3 easy drills for you to master hop in and hop off. Very simple and so useful because it's much faster to get in and off your Brompton, and because you're riding in a city, sometimes we had to get on and off the Brompton so many times. Mastering this hop in and hop off, will save you a lot of time. And I hope you did like it. That's the first time I get out towards the right side. I usually get out towards the left side because there's no chain, so I won't get my pants or legs dirty. So that's why I prefer getting out towards the left side and pulling and pushing the Brompton towards the left side. So hope you did like it. Remember, so first you hold your handlebar, take one foot out and go straight. Then second drill, take one foot out and cross it, but remember it has to be towards the back of your opposite leg. Don't do it to the front because then it will be very hard to get out. So you take it out towards the back, and the last drill, just take out. So this foot will be on the pedal, and the other one, the opposite one, towards the back, just go down and off. And that's it. Easy, easy peasy. Well, I hope you did like it. I hope you did learn anything. Tell me in the comments if you did learn how to hop in and off your Brompton, and if it did help you somehow, if it saved you time, if you did like it, because I love to get out and in and off like this. It's much faster, and I wish I could do this in all my other bikes that I can't. So this is one of the reasons that I prefer to ride my Brompton over the other bikes, because much faster to get in, much faster to get out, and it feels it very small. I can take inside of the coffee shop, and I love that. Well, hope you did like it. Thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do, because from now on we'll be making great videos only with things that you decide. You ask me, and I'll try to explain the best way I can. If I can't, I'll learn it and share with you all the things that I learned. So hope you did like it. It's a great way to get in and off, and it's a lot to come. I received some nice upgrades in my Brompton, and I'll be sharing with you. First, I had to clean it. It's so dirty. It needs a bath. Bye-bye.